What is the fastest way to get from point A to point B? It's a straight line. What is the fastest way to get from where you are now to your dream body? It's also a straight line. Today, I'm going to share with you how to become a fitness influencer. First things first for fitness influencer, your content is king. And in this meat-driven industry, that means three things. Your content has got to be really authentic, it has to be inspiring, and you gotta use a lot of creativity to really gel up your content. Here's one great tip that always works. Show more flash. Alright, sex sell. Now in this industry, the more flash you show, the more likes you get. Statistics have shown clearly that with shirt, you get maybe 2,000 likes. If you get shirtless, you get 10,000 likes. It's easy. But of course, you can't be doing it all the time, if not people will just think that you are plain Jane. 1 or 2 regular posts of a shirtless picture is okay. Sometimes you will want to jam it up. For example, you will want to wear your sunglasses, showing a very nice background picture at a beach to show that you are a very sporty guy, or showing them at the swimming pool where you can also be shirtless but also can have some fun as well. The best type of content or picture that you can produce that will set you apart from the B-listers influencers are those where you are standing in a very nice background, like a really nice garden behind you, and just looking afar, staring into the distance and thinking about nothing, but focusing on flexing those biceps and triceps. Well, of course, we know that you are actually the one that, post up the camera and also just waiting for that 5-second clicker to click off and then flex as much as possible. Next, people love to hear a story, and if you have a fitness story, keep using the story and keep squeezing out of them. For example, believe it or not, I used to weigh 100 kg and I got very low self-esteem for myself. But with sheer determination, perseverance, focus, no pain, no gain spirit, and now we're like this. Now if I can do it, you can do it. That's right, keep using that story. Or you could be like Adele. Hi guys, Adele here. Thank you so much for all the birthday love. I hope you guys are keeping safe and sane at this crazy time. My shout out to the first respondent and also the essential workers that is keeping us safe at this very crazy time. I also want to just drop this picture really fast because I haven't been posting anything and I have lost a lot of weight. I just want you to notice this, but I don't want to distract you guys. So yeah, I lost weight and then keep safe. Now if you don't have any cool inspirational story, that's fine. Put down inspirational quote for maximum impact. Never forget why you started. Be stronger than your excuses. Fitness is a journey, not a destination. People are gonna get jealous of you, for sure, especially those who don't have your type of body or your Photoshop skills. As an A-list fitness influencer, of course you cannot let your followers think that you're just about the body and don't have the brains. You gotta have both the brains and the bronze. And this, I'm talking about educating your followers. Now you don't have to waste time to be thinking really hard and really smart about all these things. All of them are in Google, and all you have to do is just copying them and then just compile them into little bits of information and just post them up. Debunking 10 keto myths. What is your body type? How to lose 30 kg in a month. So yes, getting from point A to point B as a fitness influencer can be really easy. Now everyone and anyone can be a fitness influencer. Hashtag fitness, hashtag fitness pro, hashtag fit pro, hashtag fitness fam, hashtag Instagram fitness, hashtag fitness celebrity, hashtag fitness model, hashtag